Good morning, afternoon, evening, or after morning. I am the Manly Digger. And metal detecting season's over. The ground is nice and frosty. At least in Maine it is. The ground's frozen solid. It's snowy. I am doing another knife review, which I love. I love doing knife reviews. It's a tactical knife, and it's considered tactical. Also a throwing knife. It's made in China. There's no brand on it at all. I bought it off eBay, and I don't know, I just thought it'd be cool. They're little knives. They're so little. Anyway, here's the knife. It just says on the box, double thrower. That's all it says. And it's just this guy. It straps onto any type of belt or any type of strap, pack, and I'll show you, I'll put it on my belt. And we'll see. I mean, I've already opened it up, obviously, but I threw them, and they're fun. They're really fun to throw, and I'm gonna put it in the video, obviously, because why not? They're so cute. But also in this video, I learned a different way to throw it, or throw a knife, or smaller knife. And I knew how to do it anyway, but like, I threw it like a dart. Traditionally, how I throw it is the no spin throw. Anyway, here's my unboxing and my review. Oh, also, these are going to be donated to Operation Reboot Outdoors. That's where I got this beanie. It's a nonprofit organization that helps veterans, law enforcement, and first responders. The intent is to get back out and find a purpose through hunting, fishing, just getting out in the woods. It's all nonprofit. No one gets paid. It's an amazing organization. I've donated the other throwing knives and the flashlight. If you have any interest in donating to Operation Reboot, or just want to know more information or details about Operation Reboot Outdoors, I'll put the link in here somewhere. It'll definitely be in the bio. An amazing organization. An organization worth supporting. Okay, double thrower. Like I said, it's unbranded. There's no brand on it. It is from China, which normally I don't really like things from China, which is funny because I usually get most of my knives from China, or are from China, and I buy them off of eBay. But these knives are really good. I like them. They were fun to play with. But this is the unboxing part of it. So let's see what's in the box. Big surprise, it's 2 knives. So 2 knives. There's nothing else in the box, or there was nothing else in the box. But, I mean, it's pretty simple. As you can see, they unbutton. They unbutton pretty easily. I'm gonna pull 2 out at once. They're just little guys. They're so petite, so tiny. You can already see that. I've already put some work on them. Just like I said, I've thrown them, and that's further in the video. You'll see. but the overall specs are stainless steel, they are overall 7 inches, 2-piece, but obviously 2-piece. They have rubber handle and sheath. It's pretty simple. What they don't say is, and what I love and what I like so much about this is the tang. It's full tang. You can see at the back, full tang throughout the handle. People can call it cheap, made in China, but there's not a lot of knives that have that full tang. I enjoy that full tang. It's a sturdier knife. It makes it easier to throw. Throwing wise, the rubber it made it, I had to figure stuff out because it's different. It's different. It has a different feel to it. Oh, it's not just the rubber, but the rubber and the smaller handle, a little different. But it also has the serrated edge, tiny serrated edge for a tiny knife. That's pretty cool. So I have found my only complaint so far is this is a normal size tactical belt. When I wore in the military, it is a normal width. What a normal military belt, tactical belt the width would be. Oh no! A soldier or military personnel could not wear this in uniform, which is probably unauthorized anyway. But normal belt, it would fit here or anywhere really. More. So for my first throw, you can see my breath. It's cold in Maine, in an attic, not an attic, in a garage that's not insulated. I have a heater though, I'm good. Anyway, first throw, this knife right here, my little ninja knife. I don't know what else to call it. My covert carry knife. I don't know. Anyway, it's cold. My brain's freezing. I'm going to throw this knife. So for the first throw, I'm going to just do the no spin. I put my finger here and I find a way to control the back, but I don't hold it too tight because it's just a flick. Fail. Too much gusto on that. So for my second type of throw, I am going to throw it like a ninja. I got it to stick multiple times, guaranteed, because there's a camera and I'm talking and trying to do this. I'm not going to stick. It's going to take me like 3 or 4 times. We'll see. We'll see. Told you. Got it to stick twice in a row with the new throw. I'm gonna try to stick it again because I feel like it. What I would normally ask is, would I recommend this knife to anybody? Absolutely. It's just a good knife. Knives are fun, but this knife it's compact. It's a fun tactical knife. And remember, it all depends on your state and how legality of carrying knives. Some states don't like concealed knives. Some states don't allow it. Every state has their own rule. These knives, pretty cool. And all knives are pretty cool. Mainly dig it out.